Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix, and this is a clothing subscription. It's $20 a month, and anything you decide to keep, that $20 will go toward it. And this is how it comes. It's free shipping to get the box sent to you, and it's free shipping to send back whatever you don't want. You just put it in here. It already has a prepaid label on it, and just mail it back. And you get this envelope, and inside it, it will have the price sheet and a note from your stylist, along with some suggestions of different ways you can pair what they sent you. And my stylist is Paige. I've had her for most of my time with Stitch Fix, and this is my 15th fix. And let me see. She said that she sent me a pair of high rise per my request. She says she loves high rise because it visually creates two proportionate halves of her body. She's also on the shorter side of 5'4". I'm 5'3". Okay, and she said that she sent a top that was pinned to my Pinterest. I've pinned a lot of tops here lately to my Pinterest. But let's see what I got. Oh, and you have 30 days to send back whatever you don't want. And if you decide to keep everything, you'll get a 25% discount. Okay. And this is how it comes. I think this is one that I have pinned. I love this top. And this is by 41 Hawthorn. And it is the Sasha Mixed Media Top. It's $58. Oh goodness. I would pin something expensive. It's so pretty. And everything that I get, I will list down below in case you get the box and want to ask your stylist for something that I got. Okay. Then we have a Honey Punch Marison ribbed shawl cardigan, light gray. This is $64. I like it. Okay, then we have jeans in Just Black is the brand, and they are Grace High Rise Super Skinny Jeans. They're $78. I like these. I like the color. Okay, and then we have another pair and it is STS Blue. It's the brand, and it's Ellie High Rise Ankle. And these are $49. I think I have a pair of this brand and the Just Black that I like, and I got from Stitch Fix. Okay, we got one more, and it is a top. It has ties on the sleeves. I don't know how I will like that, but the brand of this is West Key Allan tie sleeve high-low blouse. $38, that's not bad. Okay, I will start trying on. Okay, so here is this top. I did it both ways. I tied it in a bow and I left it like this. I'm just not don't think it looks good tied in a bow, but I don't really like that either. Just hanging there. But as for the shirt, I think it is pretty. Just not sure about them. I have the black jeans on, and they fit really, really good. Very comfortable. I really like them. And they are the high rise, so they come up to my belly button. Okay, here's this top. I knew I would love it, and I got the other jeans on and they fit amazingly. They're not even that long like most jeans are on me. I love these high rise. I think it flattens me out a lot. I love that. So I'm thinking that I might tell all my stylists that I want to stick with high rise, just high rise jeans. Anyways, love it. Now all I got left is the cardigan. Okay, here's the cardigan. I don't think that I'm that crazy about it. I don't know that it looks good on me. There's something about it. But I can't wait to hear what y'all think. You can give me your opinions. The sleeves are kind of long, which is normal for me because I'm short. But they're, I don't know, I don't think I'm crazy about it. Okay, I'm going to get dressed and then we'll go over everything. Okay, so this shirt, it was the $58 one. And I love it. The jeans, I love both of them. It was this top and this cardigan that I just wasn't crazy about. If I kept everything, the total comes to $287, and I would get the 20% discount, which would be $71.75 off. So to keep everything, it would be $215.25. And like I said, that cardigan is $64, so I would need to love it. There's something about it. Anyways, that's it. Thank you all for watching. I look forward to reading your comments, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.